This is how you can become a consistently profitable forex trader as quick as possible. Now, learning how to trade properly and make consistent profits from the market will definitely take some time, but there is a way how you can make that process quicker. When it comes to technical analysis, all you need to know is how to properly identify the market direction, how to read trend, how to find key levels on the chart, and you also need to know a couple of entry signals. So as soon as price comes into one of your key levels and it gives you that entry signal, then you execute the trade. This will take probably a couple of months time if you have someone by your side to help you with that. But what will take most of your time to become consistently profitable is psychology. Now, the best way to do this is to open a minimum investment live account. So let's say you open a trading account with $100 or $200, for example. Even if you lose the account, that shouldn't hurt your financial situation that much. The point is that when you open a live account, doesn't matter what is the balance on that account, and you trade this account with one strategy and with proper risk management, this is gonna help you build the right habits of trading live funds, and that's gonna help you a lot in the future. So I would say this is a much better way rather than trading a demo account. For more trading advices, make sure to hit that follow button.